Hi and welcome to this quick tip video. This time it's just a short one, because I'm busy with changing quite a lot behind the scenes and setting up some new services for all of you. Once ready, I will announce everything in a separate video. But back to today's topic. Hit me, laugh at me, but it's really true that I never found a solution for something which always drove me crazy. Until a few days ago, when I stumbled over it. Perhaps it was always there, but I was too blind to see. And perhaps some of you are in the same boat. That's why I want to share it with you. How to know which preset you have currently loaded in a native plugin. You can have the auto-naming options enabled, which change the generator's name or the name of the effect slot, but I do not like this behavior. I want to have my bass called bass and not, for example, click, so I leave these options always disabled. And yes, of course, there are some plugins which have an info field, which shows the preset name if the creator took care. But there are some presets which don't have any info, or the preset name is not the same as in the list. Low pass with wave shaping is to me something different than the actual preset name. Other plugins, to be honest most of the native plugins, do not have any info field, not even newer ones like Destructor. As long as the GUI stays open, it tells me the preset name in the selector and in the hint bar when hovering over the title bar. But as soon as I close and reopen the GUI, this info is completely gone. I don't know if it's a bug or just not implemented in a more convenient way. In the preset list, there was never an indicator for the loaded preset either. This drove me nuts. But only because I didn't recognize that life can be easy sometimes. Watch what happens if I right-click the selector. I always knew that you can open the preset list by right-clicking the selector in the browser. But I never recognized that the loaded preset is highlighted automatically. If I change the preset and right-click again, the new preset gets highlighted. Again, hit me if this is well known, but for me it was jaw-dropping the other day. That's it for the moment. I hope I could help some people who didn't know either. As I said in the intro, stay tuned for some new information, and thank you for watching.